Welcome, grade 2 children. Welcome in your science lesson for week 8, day 1. Now, what we are going to do today, that I'm going to tell you in a minute. Now, first, I want you to look at a picture that I'm going to show you, right? Okay, now let's see a picture, and that's going to tell you about our topic for today. Okay, can you all see this picture on my screen? Yes? Correct. Now, what is this picture about? This is about different fruits, right? And can you name them, please? Which fruit is this? It's an orange, correct. Strawberry, correct. What are these? It's a pear, correct. What is this? Peaches. What is this? It's a watermelon. What is this? It's an apple. Again, these are also peaches, strawberry, and oranges. So these are the different types of fruits, right? So for today, what we are going to learn, we are going to learn about different type of fruits, about their seeds, right? So these are the things that we are going to do today in our lesson, and that is fruits and seeds, right? Now I'm going to show you a video, and that is again our Edward video, right? So do go on the website and try and watch those videos. There are plenty of videos, right? And do like them because they are going to save and you can easily watch them later on. Are you all ready? Yes? Okay, there you go. Can you all see the screen, children? All right, there you go. 1, 2, and 3.
Hello. Woohoo! Look at me dance. Woohoo! Yeah, I can do that move. Alright, so I can do that. So, here we go. What is this place? And what is this machine? Oh, it's throwing out fruit. Let's see, what fruit do we have here? This is an orange. Yes, it's orange. Banana. Watermelon. Yes. These are 3 fruits. Let's see. What's the color of orange? It is orange. It's orange in color and it's called an orange. That's a banana. What color is the banana? Yellow. Banana is yellow. And the most interesting, the watermelon. The watermelon is green from the outside and it's red from the inside. Let's see. Yes, it is red from the inside and green from outside. Woohoo, that's interesting. So let's get back to the machine. I was throwing out all the fruits. Let's see what this one would do. Let me touch it. They, oh, that's an orange, that's watermelon. Oh, that's a grenade. Watermelon. Yeah, nice. So, today we have learned about the colors of these fruits and the fruits themselves. So, let's leave it the rest for tomorrow.
All right. So that was about the different fruits and different colors of fruit, right? So what were the fruits that you saw in the video? You saw banana, and what's the color of banana? Yellow. And orange. Then you saw watermelon. Then you saw peaches. So these were all the fruits, different fruits that we have. There are more fruits and more things about fruits that we are going to learn today. Now I'm going to show you a presentation, and in that presentation you can see more fruits and you can learn more things about the fruits, right? Okay, so there you go. Now here, can you all see my screen? You can see what are fruits and seeds. Now here you can see apple, grapes, orange, watermelon, strawberry, banana, pineapple, a carrot, a mango, pumpkin, mushroom, and a tomato. Okay, now let's move on. Now what we have next is what are seeds actually. Seeds are formed in the center part of the flower or in the fruit. Fruits come from flowers. Seeds come in many shapes and sizes. Plants grow from seeds. Now you can see the seeds here. You saw in the seeds in the watermelon. You can saw here in pear. Again here, these are pears. These are vegetables also and fruits also. Okay. Now, seeds are inside the fruits. Like see watermelon, kiwi. You can see the seeds here. These are many seeds. These are fruits with many seeds. But these are fruits with only one seed. Like this is a peach and this is a plum. Okay, now let's move on. Now look at these fruits. Now here you can see a raspberry, coconut, apple, peach, strawberry, pineapple, lemon, banana, watermelon, and there is orange, grapes. So these are different kinds of fruits. Again, look at the picture, fruits and seeds. Now, watermelon with many seeds, mango with only one seed, papaya with many seeds, right? Okay. Now, look at the picture of fruits with single seeds. See, these are peaches, these are plum. They are have only one seed. Now, look at the picture of seeds inside some fruits. Now, the hard part inside the fruit is called its seed. Seeds inside some fruits that we don't eat. We don't eat the seeds of oranges, we don't eat the seeds of watermelon, we don't eat seeds of papaya and mango, we don't eat the seed of actually mango. So these were different fruits with their seeds, right? Now, these are different fruits, but there are the fruits are also categorized in different categories. Like some fruits, they are more juicy, some are less juicy, some fruits are juicy and soft, some fruits are just soft, some fruits are hard. Okay, like if you see in your book, page number 34, they have shown the picture of different fruits. A fruit is made from a flower, like I have shown you in the PowerPoint. There are many kinds of fruits. Some fruits are soft and juicy, like you can see an orange here, mango and plum. These are soft and these are juicy. In the same way, there are other fruits that are soft and juicy, like strawberries, like raspberry, like cherries, like orange, like mangoes. These are soft and these are also juicy. But there are some fruits which are only soft, like you can see the a banana is soft, right? Kiwi is soft and it is also juicy. Pear is it's not soft, right? and you can see that uh, watermelon is soft, it is juicy. Melons are also soft and it is juicy. Yet there are other fruits which are very hard. Now what are those fruits actually? They are some fruits are dry and hard. Okay, now these are walnut, peanuts and almond. These are also fruits, but they are dried fruit, they are dry and they are hard fruits, right? Do you understand? So these were different types of fruits. Okay. Now seeds are made inside the fruits, like I have shown you. Some fruits have few seeds, some fruits have many seeds, like we have already discussed, right? Okay. Now that means that fruits, there are many kinds of fruits, and the fruits can be juicy, the fruits can be soft and juicy, the fruits can be only soft, and the fruits can be hard. We have seen that which are the fruits which are that are soft and juicy, which are the fruits which are hard, and which are the fruits which are only soft, right? So you have categorized fruits into three categories: hard, soft, and juicy. Okay. Now, what you are going to do is you are going to, in your notebooks, you are going to draw two juicy fruits, two soft fruits, and two hard fruits. What? Two juicy fruits, listen to my instructions, two juicy fruits, two soft fruits, and two hard fruits, and you write down the names of those fruits as well. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to show your drawing and to read out, and you can may also tell some of the things about those fruits, right? So I'm going to give you 10 minutes and your time starts now. Okay, now time is up. Time is up. Okay, show me your drawing. Yes, sir. What you have drawn? What are the juicy fruits? The orange, very good. And mango, okay. All right. Okay, and what are the soft fruits? Banana, very good. And you have seen strawberries, very good. And what are the hard ones? Almond, very good. Walnut, very good. And what else? Almond and peanuts, very good. Good. So that means that this topic, that was fruits and seeds, which we have done, we have only done fruits today. Seeds in detail we are going to do later on. So we have done about the fruits, what type of fruits are there, and the fruits that have many seeds, and the fruits that have only one seed. Okay, give me one name of a fruit that has many seeds. Like you can say papaya, like you can say watermelon. Very good. And tell me any one fruit that have only one seed. A mango. Very good. So that means the fruits are of different types. They are of different kinds. They are of different sizes. You can categorize them in many ways. Yet they are all fruits. Some of them may be juicy. Some of them may be soft. Some of them may be hard. Right? Okay. So I hope that you have understood what we have done today. Right? Okay. So the homework which will be, I'm going to post on portal. Do the homework yourself, okay? And if there is any confusion, leave that one. And do watch the edible videos. There are loads of videos, and this food video is very, very interesting. You can go on the website and watch that video again. Okay? All right, children. See you next time. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a